In this video, we will show you 5 of our favorite tools and gadgets in our kitchen. I have listed all the product links in the description below. First up is our Crock-Pot slow cooker. We typically use this for slow cooking meat. We've done lamb shanks that literally fall off the bone, we slow cooked super juicy brisket, and we've done 8-hour-long stews like beef bourguignon. A wooden chopping board is a staple must-have in your kitchen. We're using a Wusthof board crafted from heat-treated beech. This is a heavy board with rubber feet, so there is no chance of it moving around. To complement our board, we have a set of Wusthof Knives. This is a classic icon 7-piece set. It includes a paring knife, serrated utility knife, bread knife, utility knife, a chef knife, and a santoku, which is the one we use the most. We've been using this set for around 5 years now, and it has held up really well. Their build is very solid and they feel professional in your hand. No kitchen is complete without a Kenwood. We were undecided between a KitchenAid and a Kenwood. I grew up in a Kenwood household. My mom still uses her original first Kenwood, so we went with a Kenwood, and it didn't disappoint. We love our Kenwood XL chef. We use it for cakes or when we're making dough. This probably requires its own review video, definitely a top recommendation. We recently bought a lasagna pasta attachment, which works great when you do your fresh pasta like ravioli. Finally, our rice cooker. I was so skeptical about this, but now I cannot recommend this enough. It's so easy to use, produces the perfect rice every single time. We hope you try out some of these in your own kitchen. Check out the links below and leave us a comment with your favorite kitchen tool.